Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And this lesson is a writing practice. Hebrew letters print form. The letters Lamed, Mem, Mem sofit, Nun, Nun sofit, Samech, Ayin. Lamed, Mem, Mem sofit, Nun, Nun sofit, Samech, Ayin. The letter Lamed sounds like L. So short line, 1, 2, and curve. 1, 2, and curve. 1, 2, and like this. 1, 2, and this. 1, 2, and this. 1, 2, and this. 1, 2, and this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. The letter Mem sounds like M. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is shorter than this, and then the line here. So, and here is the chupchik, like this chupchik. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mem sofit, it comes in the end of the word, sound of M, of course, and it looks like a washing machine, like rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is easy. The letter Nun, sound of N. This is easy, like short line here, long, and another line here, a bit longer than the one above, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you see, this is longer than this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And another one. 1, 2, 3. The letter Nun sofit. So yes, the logic here, Nun sofit comes in the end of the word and the sound of N. If you compare it to kaf sofit, this would be longer than the regular letter, but this here, the line here, would be shorter than the one that was in the kaf. So 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So if this was like half, right? this would be nun, right? And if this was aleph, you see that longer than the regular, so nun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The letter Samech, sound of S, and actually same sound of sin, but like S. You see here like 1, 2, 3, but you can do it with one line, like a curved line. 1, 2, 1, 2, like this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if this is mem sofit, like rectangle, Samech is like this, like curve. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this would be mem sofit, and this is Samech. See more straight lines, curved lines. The letter Ayin, it should have been the sound of like all from the throat, like almar, albit, al. But actually we tend to pronounce it more like aleph, like ah. But here we are for writing practice, so like you see a curved line, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, like this, 1 and 2, 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 last one, 1 and 2. If you want to see the whole alphabet print letters, I have an introduction, lesson number 1, and I will put the link in the description box below if you can't find lesson number 1. So until next time, see you in the next video. להתראות בסרטון הבא.